Hey guys, erase that. Good morning. It's 6:30 in the evening and kakagising ko lang. It's a rainy evening kasi nga may bagyo. I think bagyong Maymay is here. So, lamig ng weather. It's time to get up, so let's go para makapag-prep na rin tayo for work. Done na ako maligo. So, bihis lang ako. Tapos magdi-dinner na tayo. Let's go. Let's go. Dinner na tayo. Hi, babies! Good morning! Hello! Tago yung isa. Camera shy yarn. Tignan natin kung anong ulam. So, we have... Oh, tirang lechong manok from kanina. Corned beef, may mga Shanghai here, and what's this? Oh, okay, gulay. Kung nagtataka kayo, bakit namin may ganito sa table? Kasi naka-ready lang yan for emergencies, like lalo ngayong tagbagyo. So, pag maulan, pag nag-brown out, naka-ready. I-on lang namin, para hindi na kami naghahagilap. At dahil 7 o'clock na, kain na tayo. Tawagin ko lang ang mommy. Mom? Kain na tayo! Mom, let's eat. Dito na ako ulit sa room. So, kalimutan ko, dami ko palang gagawin today. Dami kong meetings. So, kailangan ko magpalit. Kasi magsa-start na ako mag-work, pero ang dami kong meetings. So, syempre hindi tayo pwedeng naka-t-shirt lang. So, makapalit lang ako. Okay, nakapagpalit na ako. Naks, kala mo naman talaga. Pinatay ko na rin yung ilaw kasi hindi ako sanay ng maliwanag. Kaya lang kasi minsan pangit sa webcam kapag masyadong madilim, pero fine. Okay na ako ng ganito. Ayoko na maliwanag masyado. So, let's get to work! Sa mga nagtatanong, yes, I work from home. And panggabi din ako. Obviously, night shift. And been doing this for what? For 16 years already? So, sanay na tayo. Diba? I mean, 16 years na akong nag-work, pero parang 8 years of that nasa work from home setup ako. So, matagal-tagal na rin. Nakakaloka. I have a total of 6 meetings today. Tapos lahat yon parang mga high-impacting calls. So, good luck. Good luck to me. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Nakakaloka. As in, yung bagyo parang wow. Talagang wow. Alam nyo guys, times like this na bumabagyo, ito yung mga panahon na nare-realize ko na I'm so grateful to be working from home, na parang hindi na ako kailangan lumabas para mag-commute and all that, para makipagsapalaran. Wow, makipagsapalaran talaga. Pero on a serious note, I'm really grateful and thankful na I was given the opportunity to really work from home. Kasi yung mga ganito pagkakataon na, alam mo yun, susulong ka sa baha, sa ulan, isang hirap mag-commute and all that. So, sa mga gustong mag-work from home dyan, message niyo ako. Wow, nag-promote! Wow. Or kung may questions kayo about being a VA or working for a client, si mga ganyan, let me know. Baka gusto niyo ng ganung video, then yeah, why not? Hey guys, good morning. So I think we have the right volume for all the calls that are coming in. Alright, thanks you guys. Have a great day. Bye. Call 1 done. Call number 2. Hey guys. I know, for the past few months we've been doing really well in terms of the numbers and hitting the targets. Do they have any portals that we can get access to? Yeah, I get that. Exactly. Call number 2, done. Thank God na-cancel yung 3rd call for the day. So, 3 calls na lang for the day. Let's go! Hey, kamusta? Oo nga, nasabi nga yun sa akin, pero parang hindi din naman kasi nagmamatch yung data eh. Erase na lang natin, oh. Pwede rin naman. Now, gagawa ako ng volume analysis to see kung kamusta yung volume ng calls na pumapasok dun sa isang team that I'm currently handling, and to see kung kailangan namin mag-add ng isa pang tao to handle the call volume. So, let's do that. Yes, may water dispenser ako sa tabi ng aking workstation kasi ayoko nang bababa. So, dito na ako kumukuha ng water. Okay, I'm done doing the capacity plan as well as yung volume analysis. So hopefully, this would yield a positive response from the client. Sana. Naka 4 hours na ako today. So, konti na lang. 4 na oras pa. 4 hours more. Bumaba pala ako ulit para magtimpla ng coffee kasi lamig ng panahon. So, kailangan natin ng pampainit. Wow. Yay! Finally, the day is done. Tapos na tayo mag-work. Time to relax. And yun lang naman. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin today!